Add a solid color adjustment layer and select a color you like. Open this Instagram post mockup file, link in the description. Press Ctrl+C to copy the post group. Press Ctrl+V to paste. Press Ctrl+D and adjust the size as you like. Open your subject image. Go to Select and select Subject. Add a layer mask. Right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Copy the image. Open the post group. Paste the image above the post photo subgroup. Press Ctrl+D and adjust the size to your liking. Select the subject image. Press and hold Ctrl and click on the photo layer icon like this. Add a layer mask to the subject image. Select the layer mask, and paint on the areas you want to pop out using a white brush like this. Add a new layer above the subject image. Press and hold Ctrl, and click on the photo layer icon, to get a selection of the inside of the post. Paint a shadow using a soft black brush like this. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Add a new layer, and drag it below the subject image. Press and hold Ctrl and click on the post background layer icon, to make a selection of the post background. Paint a shadow like this, where the subject pops out. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press subscribe button for more cool tutorials like this. Stay safe, I'll see you in the next one.